What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Definitely thank you for pushing that button, and I'm so happy to see you all again. Yes, I've been gone for a while, but I am back. Had some things going on. With this video, we created this look only because I received, well, I purchased a few new products and I wanted to try them out. And one was definitely this eyeshadow that I am in love with right now. If you want to know what this shadow is and the other products that I use, definitely stay tuned to the video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh yeah. Y'all, I'm back and it's been about 45 minutes. Me and my eyebrows, we had a fight, and I'm thinking my eyebrows did win, but we're gonna keep it moving. I am going to try this NARS, I think it's Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is my first time using the foundation, and I have a few other products that I am using for the first time. So this is going to be very exciting. This is the color, I don't know. Oh, I think that's what fell off. I know it starts with a C, if that helps. But we're going to start off with that. Let me get a few pumps. Okay. Ooh, I like. I did use this blender on my brows, so it is a tad bit dirty. But I just want to even it out, make sure there are no streaks, and make sure I didn't forget any areas. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer in the color Medium Dark Warm. This is my first time using this concealer as well. I tried to go find my NARS. Well, I tried to go purchase another NARS, but they didn't have the color that I needed, so I'm trying something different. Concealer is my favorite part of my makeup routine. I just burped, sorry. I don't know if I love it. It's kind of patchy. I do have false lashes on that I'm totally messing up right now, but you know, it's okay. I don't know. All right, let's set it. I'm gonna set, my dog is going crazy. I think my husband is coming home. But I'm going to set using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't like the way it did the top of my mouth. I don't know if you all can see that or not, but it looks pretty bad. It's really patchy.
Oh, you gotta clear it out. Right here.
Don't you see I'm doing a video, Brenda Bernard?
Oh, it's live?
Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Truffle, and I'm going to contour my base. Brandon, really? Yes. I'm about to fire you, Brandon Bernard. You gonna mess up my video. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Pro Glow palette. And I am going to use this color here to set my contour. So my next new product I am going to use is by Makeup Forever. They came out with a ton of new eyeshadow shades. So I decided to pick these 3, and I think I'm going to use only the pink for this look. No, only the yellow for this look. Let's see how it goes. So I know I said I was gonna only use the yellow, but I think I wanna add a little bit of pink inside of my waterline. No, let's add it in the crease area of my waterline. And I am going to use Lit as my highlight. Now let's move on to lips and mascara.